let's clean this cutie. Let's take off her fur. So cute, right? OMG. Look at this. Aww. Okay, let's remove her fur. Okay. This one. Take this thing off. Oh my. And this one off. Oh wow. Off this one. Okay, oops. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, let's take this thing off and let's put her head back on. Let's take this thing off too. And this one too. And this one too. Look at this. So cute. Okay, let's put her hair back on. Okay, there you go. Oh, we can peel this thing off too. Oh my. Alright. Ooh! Oh my gosh! She looks so pretty. Oh my gosh! Look at hers. It's so cute. Oh wow. Oh. Alright, let's see if this thing fits on her. Okay. Oh, I guess not. This is not for her. Okay. Nope. Alright, let me see. This one came with the shoes. Alright, let's put her shoes on. Alright. Okay, alright. Look at her, huh? So cute. Oh my gosh. How pretty. Oh, oh wow. Hello. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time. See ya.